Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn to Love DIY. Today I bring to you a Dollar Tree Welcome Harvest sign. I bought all my materials at Dollar Tree and I've already had the chalk paint that I'll be using and the brushes. I do have all the little clips that I filmed in pieces, and I have in fast mode just so that you are able to get most of what I did with all the materials. So right here I'm using the white chalk paint with my foam brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the front and all of the corners. I did not do the backs of these leaves. And here I have the harvest and the welcome. These signs are made out of metal and you can find them in packs of 3. I do believe they have them for most of the different seasons. And I'm going to be using my Mod Podge, my foam brush, and I'm going to be using black glitter. I just wanted it to stand out amongst the white background that I did for the leaves. And I'm going to go ahead and do this while my leaves are drying so that I can set these aside to dry, and then I can go ahead and continue on with the different processes. Just as a side note, I only did 1 layer of the glitter and Mod Podge, and then I'll show you later on in the video I used a spray adhesive to go ahead and seal the signs as well as the leaves. So in this portion of the video I went ahead and took my light chalk paint in gray, and then I kind of just dry brushed it. I didn't take too much paint out of it, and I just kind of brushed lightly all over the leaf until I got the consistency of that gray with the white that I wanted. So this could be optional, or you can change the colors, or you can just leave it white. It kind of just depends, but I really like those color combinations quite a bit. And here I went ahead and just glued it on with the hot glue gun. And now what I did is, once the adhesive dried that I sprayed on there, it's an Elmer's glue on a spray bottle, I went ahead and took out a few of the different ribbons. I thought it was going to be a little too bare just by themselves, so I took out my very thin jute twine. I believe I did 3 of the strings, and I kind of just estimated the length of these, and I went ahead and started running them through, and then I took a whole bunch of my different kinds of ribbons and whites and grays, and I took a few out of those, and then I'm going to go ahead and just tie a light bow, and then I'm going to finish it off with a jute twine bow. So once I had it the way I wanted it, I went ahead and just hung it on the front door. I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know what you guys think. I took about $3 to make it, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. You guys have a great one.